Herr Vuljanić.
Thank you, President. Now, is it really Hercules and then three? Maybe it's a little bit presumptuous. But anyhow, the aim of the program is to protect European financial interest, its budget, our budget, in member countries. Member countries, especially some of them, have great problems in protecting their own budgets from fraud, counterfeiting, corruption associated with it, smuggling and the like. The problem is even greater when you have in mind the fact that legal regulations differ widely from country to country. The program is supposed to respect subsidiarity and not to trespass the line of member state jurisdiction and responsibility, which is good. The €110 million are supposed to help the countries to find common grounds for action, exchange information and promote best practices for fighting these criminal actions. Surely, the last is the most important issue in the programme, as it will be able to help not only protecting European financial interests, but the interests of member countries as well. However, the proposed timeline is not so good, as we are slower than the criminals, as it always goes. If the results do not come much sooner than 2017 or 2021, we are in deep trouble. Thank you.